Guys, we're going to switch over. We are now live on the East Texas RC Crawler page.
Bye.
See you guys over there.
1 minute.
You got 1 minute left?
Yep. Yo, you got time, man. That's doable.
Get as far as you can.
Progress, you're almost to the next progress. Man, that video is funny. The video you did? I went back and watched it again.
I'm going to hand the phone off. I'm going to keep the coverage going, though.
Excuse me. 18 seconds. Come on, you're almost to the next checkpoint. Don't hit it, don't hit it. Right there. Sit. Don't defend. There you go. There you go. 2, 1. Done. You got far, man.
Good job.
Thank you.
All right, going to the next guy. Coming.
The original video Daniel has been deleted from the internet.
Coming down. Not slowly, trying not to die.
I'm actually going back and forth with the city of Richardson.
Cliff.
We got Cliff up next.
Ready? Set.
No,
Go.
just because the city of Richardson is the city of Richardson.
My shoes suck.
Hello, Mike. Thank you for coming to our live feed.
Oh, yeah.
Told you, Joseph. The line.
So then I can put dirt behind the stove. All time when you need it, you know?
Mike and Travis, thank y'all for watching our live feed.
We're not going to do, we're only going to race once a week. We're going to race every day.
You all have the cut off behind the store?
Yeah, that's basically where I'm going to do mine.
I just know that's a pain video for a while.
Hey, you're about to lose your license plate.
There you go.
That's a big concern.
I know it's not. Give him a fair warning.
Good job.
I was too wide for that.
You watch him
driving,
make it all the way.
Good job, Cliff.
We got parking. Despite the fact that this make it all the way with behind the store. Even though that is on the same chunk of property, and it's owned by the same guy, it is zoned as a different property. So none of our stuff can be used as a combination. Yeah.
Doing great.
Our good old bath.
You almost killed him there, right there. You almost killed him.
Yep. Either way, it's gonna hurt me.
Place to play where they ain't trying to get on dope. Now we've gotten approval of all of our surrounding business. People who are
We are live because CFM is in the house. Thank y'all, CFM.
We're on a club page.
I know. I'm just saying that that's the person I'm using.
You got no winch line on there? Maybe. You got plenty of time, man. You're a lot further than most people already at this point.
Yeah, you're killing it.
There you go.
All you do is kill him, right?
So if there's a homeowners association
Which winch gets
their approval, despite the fact that their homeowners association covers 60 square miles. That goes on forever.
He's up here making time for his camera.
Good old Jonathan being the judge.
There you go. Good job. Winch line, where's your winch line? You can roll it here.
What time you got, Eddie?
He's moving. He's got 2:39.
Oh my God, you gonna finish?
He's moving.
He's moving.
Dude, that got dug out.
That's a pretty good rule.
Wow.
Yeah, not Rich, you can grab more quick.
He's gonna finish.
Maybe.
Hey, he's pretty good on time.
You're kicking butt, man.
I know.
He's rolling.
Good job, Cliff.
Maybe a higher point, man. Not so low.
When that dip gets over, it'll be fine over.
Keep
There you
tight,
go.
keep the winch line
There
tight.
you go.
Nice.
There you go.
Keep the winch line tight.
There you go. That's awesome. That was awesome.
142. Plenty of time.
Most guys have 30 seconds right here.
Yeah,
40 seconds is where I was at.
40 seconds to a minute.
This guy's nearly got a minute and a half. Easy, easy. There's a rock. Oh, oh, oh,
Uh-oh.
oh. Don't eat up time. One minute. Plenty of time.
You can grab back that rock.
Thirsty. Ooh, 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 that was some tire wad. Can you cut through real quick?
Go forward.
$20 seconds.
You're doing great.
Don't find the boundary.
Don't, yeah. 5, 4, 3.
Just don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
Woo, that was. Oh,
That's
I was
time.
right
Time's
on
out.
it.
Okay, good. I was like, oh my God,
Stop.
don't
Just stop. You almost.
Don't even turn the steering wheel. Just let the time run.
Woo!
Like, all that hard work.
Good old Cliff.
Oh my God, that was perfect little
I
stop.
made it far.
He couldn't have stopped any better.
Yeah.
Literally.
Any closer?
Yeah. Literally,
Wow.
you could put a leaf
That was crazy.
there. Nope.
You see that? They just had 2 seconds left, and he like got right up against the river and stopped right before he was river. Dude, he was. You could put a leaf. How close he was.
No. Yeah. That
No.
was.
Yeah, I just honestly, I don't think he knew that. So we talk a little crap about that. Sliders, rock sliders, tenders, buffaloes next up. Joseph gonna show us how it's done.
Joseph Rose, next whole course.
Joseph about to hit course.
That's what I wanted. I wanted to get the details.
Ready, Joseph? 1, 2, 3. No, Joseph, no.
Wrong way, buddy.
No, the line's there.
Mine was there before water started.
Don't waste time. Told you. Told you.
Found it. Fender flares and mirrors are killing me.
No, it's that rock underneath you.
And that water making everything wet, too.
You can pause time. Safely move. Remember that.
It's like y'all are brothers.
Then we got Big Paul Williams about to come up next after.
on.
That looked just like Andrew.
He's making it challenging for himself.
Yep.
Oh, my winch just quit.
Yep. But Joseph was the first one to make it up the hill climb, so you never know.
He was.
He could open this up for everyone.
So take your fork off and
No, I went down that other hill. I'll show you the hill on the other side. When we go to leave,
that one right there.
Which hill?
remember the last stop I was at where the trail was like.
This is it.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, this is it.
This is not the bad side. Bad side's on the other side of the truck. This right here is really. I couldn't make it out with my four wheel. That's that up.
Why does it seem different?
Because water made all that rain.
Come on, yeah, you didn't need a winch after all. Ain't got too much line on it. What is going on right now?
Last event, you've been driving your rigs hard.
Now I picking them wrong lines.
Hey, you suck.
Sorry, Jonathan.
Phantom the remote.
Hey, you know what? I got
No substitute. Look at him getting super close to that boundary. Boy, he likes playing with danger.
I'm gonna keep driving.
Man, that was close. Man, you Joseph.
I don't. We got people playing with boundaries. I don't even think we could have got a leaf in between there. Joseph doing work with no winch.
Make them flat iron crowd.
Woo! Hello, the new people that just joined our live feed. We're still out here.
God, Joseph. Driving the heck out of that.
We got Joseph driving.
You're doing great. Look at that.
And there's
Look
our
at that.
bath. Look at him doing work.
Went for a swim.
Hey,
Come on,
Strap.
Joseph. Come on, no winch, Joseph. Joseph, swing more out. Back up and swing more out. More. No, you got all that area in there to play with. Look at all that. Come in like that.
Hey, Matt. Wish you could have been here, buddy.
That's it. That's what I'm talking about.
Strap, thank you for joining our live feed.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. No. Keep the wide line.
Here's the winch.
No, he doesn't. Can't. Nope. Wider. Back up and go wider.
Yeah, his winch broke.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Come in like that.
We got Joseph.
Staying with it?
Oh, sick. That would go up.
Thank you.
See if I got enough out there.
It's almost. Almost. Yeah, you passed the fifth one. The sixth one. Come on, winch.
Hold strong, little winch.
Hey, get close to that.
Got it.
Close up with the, on the land anchor.
Got it.
Jump. Land anchor.
Give me time, Jonathan.
25 seconds.
That's it.
Yes.
Left to go.
Left. What you got left?
Don't
Watch your boundary. Watch your boundary.
Better to make it than to be.
Here at Barnwell, where you were supposed to be, I thought. Oh, he touched.
That one little look.
He touched. Good job, though. Awesome driving, buddy.
That was a good run, man.
Stop feeding the bottom.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Yeah.
Hey.
Set. Go.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that was. you got your wife text asking y'all supposed to come home, or when y'all coming home.
I'm sorry. It's just that we never challenge each other so much.
You've never seen somebody get so damn happy because of a friend boat.
Hey.
We got Paul Williams.
Me and Paul's communication with each other. All that horsepower, man.
I feel his pain because I was in the same spot last year.
Hey, you say you want to get it over with.
Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? Broke. Broke it. He's gonna have to be two-wheel driving and winching because Paul don't give up.
What did he break?
He broke front-wheel drive shaft.
Oh, nice.
Paul ain't gonna give up though. Paul's gonna use that winch to do this whole thing. He's got 6 minutes. What? Hey, no, it's going. It's going. Well, I mean, he's got the course 6 minutes. You know what I meant. There ain't no favoritism.
This thing always jumping up and down because the drive shaft snapped.
I almost fell.
You just got Jonathan excited because I think he's finally going to beat Paul in one event.
Oh, I've already beat him once.
Well, what'd you beat him in?
Obstacle course.
Already. It got real.
One out of how many? You too?
What happened?
Hello, Andy.
What are you? You're done.
Done.
Servo quit?
Paul Williams throwing in the white flag.
Battery die? You hot?
His rig died.
Smoke! Oh,
Smoke. We got smoke in the house. Yeah.
damn, Paul.
Paul, giving it his all.
Damn, Daniel. Hey, they sell the smoke.
Damn, Daniel. You and those witches. I'm bringing them sellers like nothing.
They might be sold out.
Paul Williams making his own smoke machine.
No, we'll get it fixed in a minute. They sell a kit for it, putting it back in.
That camera's awesome. That's what
God.
a motorcycle.
Is that all 19?
Not my day today.
Moses and his new lady down some creepy shit over there.
I smell that. It's been a long time since I smelled something burn like that.
Watch your mouth.
Who's next?
Me.
Get the show going.
Here's the scorecard.
Oh, okay.
I'm starting from up here.
We got Hollywood in the house about to get hit the course. Okay, Josh, my bad. My bad.
Where's,
False alarm. False alarm. False alarm. Sorry about getting people's hopes up.
Hey, it's Harley. Harley, you ready? Set, go.
Way up there.
Hey,
Behind you.
check out.
He's doing it from a distance.
Mind bullets going on. You want the Harry Potter stick?
Hey, that's some driving right there.
He's doing it from a distance. That's our driver right there.
Play's probably in the way.
Looks like a model.
We got a little guide in the house. I don't think we could have a spotter.
You got it. Left, left, left.
Technically, he's not spotting. He's watching his truck. He's not helping.
The first two on the course.
Oh, you're in the sticks. Back up. Slightly to the left.
No, we're not in the sticks, really?
Straight. Left. Ooh, you're wrapped up in the sticks. Yeah.
Listen to one person.
Left. There you go.
Nope.
Yeah, right. You ran into the stick.
Right. Back up, back up. There you go.
Back up. Turn right and back up. Oh, wait. You're about to hit the.
Who are you listening to?
Winch past it.
Yeah, let's go.
Out. Out.
In. In.
Yeah, Matt, you should be out here, buddy. Could have had a blast.
Turn.
Left.
Back up.
No,
Off the winch. Off the winch. Off the winch.
Don't winch it. I'll back out a little bit.
Be careful.
Wait, stay, come.
Go. You better go forward.
There you go.
Right. You got it.
We're rolling now.
We might have the first one to finish.
Turbo's acting up.
Back guy spot. Hold on. Time out.
Time out.
Time. Don't move the truck. Hey, take your time. Take your time.
Don't rush.
Don't rush.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, let's
Set,
go.
Go.
Rest a little bit.
Woo! Ooh, listen to that lovely servo.
No! Damn it, are you serious? I can't steer.
It just gave out. Winch.
You want a winch?
Winch.
Yeah, let's winch it.
Almost the next progress.
Out, out. Yeah, you got it.
You got 324.
Doing awesome.
Some 2-2 carnage right here.
Got Jonathan, the creator of this trail, and a lot of the stuff he's.
The whole thing.
Yeah. Yep.
Better help that winch holds.
Give a little gas. Get them tires rolling a little bit.
Keep the winch tight. Keep the winch tight.
There you go, nice.
Winch from that way. Winch from that way.
All right, off.
Can you reach up the winch?
We got some more carnage.
You know what you should have done? Wrapped it around the back tire and pulled the tires that way. Got them straight. Pull. Oh, it goes that way.
Right.
Keep playing with boundaries.
There you go. You got it straight now.
Let the winch catch up, Josh. You got the progress.
Yes, he's doing this with no steering servo.
Whoa!
Oh,
Servo kicked in right when you needed it.
It just will not turn him.
yeah, hell yeah, let's go.
155.
Why don't you just get up in there, obviously.
Progress is right, the next target is right there.
I went slow today.
You want to go ahead and move up?
I'm good right now. I got to get pretty close. Okay.
Pull to you. Is that just a warn?
No, that's actually a CBE.
Okay, yeah. That's why it's so slow.
I need a different one.
It's slow, but it's strong.
I went to Clay for my last winch. I should have done it this time too.
Uh-oh.
Go. Let it off.
Let it sit back down.
You need to go higher, Harley. Go higher. Nope, it's not gonna hold that. It's just stacked rock.
Go to that root right there. Yeah.
All right, we'll feed you.
That's what I thought. No.
Watch your hand.
Hey Matt, I thought you were supposed to be here. Pull it up on the roof.
Oh, wait, camera. Alright, kill it. I ain't trying to break the shit anymore. It's already broke.
All right.
22 seconds.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Calling it?
Yeah, I don't want to break any worse than what's already broke.
Can you pull it too?
So it should be coming towards us. Still winching in or out?
All right, Jonathan, where we at?
Getting down to the very last few of the two twos.
At what course? What course we on, buddy?
Tank trap. Tank trap.
Stripped it totally.
Tank trap.
Try to turn.
Oh.
What happened?
Next.
Hey.
Look, little holes. Grab you. Look at what your smart guys will hold me. I will raise it up.
Who else?
Are you next? I don't know.
One who's next? You next. Give me your score card. You're next.
Okay, I'm next.
All right, who we have hitting the course now?
Wild Bill. Wild Bill's coming up again.
Yeah, Wild Bill doing
Ready? Set.
two classes today,
Go.
doing work. Hard to believe that was bright pink earlier this morning.
Fine.
All right, we got time for, because this course is very steep and
Tire wad. Clay, where's your tire wad?
Oh, I know.
Ready?
Ready?
Time.
Set. Go. What do you break? Wait, what do you break? No.
are those the MIPs on that or
No, just stop.
the stock?
It takes a while to break those.
Not when you find power so hard that it stays inside the D block.
Holy crap. It's a tight line, Bill. It's a tight line.
That's what she said.
Ooh.
Get up from that root, Bill.
You had to choose a course right there by that route.
Hey, do you know how many roots were down here?
There's a tree here too, right?
There was 3. They're all over. Oh, they did what they did? Walked down. Bill, you couldn't walk down there.
What the hell, you ought to cut trees down? They won't.
I just did it. I figured I was doing them a favor by cleaning it.
Yeah, you did.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Got swimming.
He's just watching his back tires.
He didn't think he got it good enough, so he backed up and got him a little bit.
Time stop, Bill. Time stop. Get yourself there.
Race had trouble, and some teams race and walk through and SEC. Okay.
Ready, go.
It's like a 2-horse.
Woo! Those KO2's working.
How much time we got, Jonathan?
350.
Got 350. And Wild Bill doing work.
Bill's gonna make it.
Boy, we got
Here we go. First winch pull.
first winch. He's finally using his winch.
Go far, Bill. Go far. Go far. There you go. Watch your tires. Watch your tires, Bill. Let the winch work. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Okay, stop. Put it back with your body. Come on. Time. Get yourself in a better position, Bill. Need help? Count down to 3. There you go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Well, we're up to 9 viewers.
Yes, Bill. Yes. Come on, Bill.
Do this for a little bit.
233. Bill's rolling. Pause time. Pause time.
You're doing the Jeep safari?
We count down to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Boy, I think we got the first one to finish the tank course.
Oh my God, he's gonna crawl it.
Oh my God, without a winch, maybe.
Winch it, Bill, winch it.
Be careful, buddy.
That's good for me. If he's carrying something, if there's
Woo!
a drink in that
Bill's gonna do it.
drink in your
You got Jonathan excited.
I am. Woo!
He spent a lot of time creating this trail.
Come on, Bill.
In order to fix on the trail, you will have to strap in at least one spare part. I don't care what it is. I don't
Come on, Bill.
care if it's gear, okay? You gotta have like scale tools in your truck.
It ain't gonna break. That thing ain't gonna break.
If not, you'll have to borrow
Pass the ribbon.
Yeah!
It doesn't matter.
Yes, sir!
If you have a toolbox, that's good enough. Okay. Broke the winch line. Toolbox, steel tools,
And broke the winch line at the very end.
Bear Hilliard.
Boy, if that's the place that you need to break it, that's
And we're going to be setting the gates as you guys are coming through.
good.
I broke it because I spun it through because I wanted to get through that.
You want to do so?
I've been just like,
I know it's been a year. I've been hassling you to try to get back into this.
Eric time on this? I mean, I'll give you a congratulations.
I got the winch on the street, but I ain't got the whole bunch of hard.
He only used the winch twice.
Every time I turn here, work. I've never seen you post pictures of your house when you're home.
Ready?
Yep.
Set. Wait.
Don't you ever get tired of seeing
John, right?
John.
Okay. The reason why you're John too, isn't it? All right. Just making sure I had the right one.
You gotta be in there.
Ready? Set. Go. Easy. Easy.
I don't need any more rigs. I heard you about a new SDF.
I'm fine with you. I'm fine that.
I'm going to build
It is a kit. Moses.
Roman, get off
It's
the
a
pool.
kit. It's the new SCH-10. Yeah. It's a kit.
Really? I haven't seen it.
These are modified.
Well, you can't say they don't make a kit anymore when they make a kit.
No, you can't buy it. I don't think you can buy the ready run.
You got a ready run, you can't buy a kit. The SCH-10 2 is the only kit now.
Oh, is that over
Uh-oh.
Something ain't right.
Uh-oh.
He said there ain't no quit in his book.
Oh, so lovely.
You get the,
Yeah, I'm
get
gonna
it?
pull it.
You want it?
I can at least try it the rest of the way, huh?
Yeah, just if he comes through, you're gonna scare the way.
That's fine. I'll get my car from you in a minute.
Yeah, that's what you're doing. What? Are you gonna get it? I haven't seen it. I didn't know when it
Jeep Cherokee coming with Vanguard kit right out of the front.
Ready? Set. Go.
Yeah, it's smaller. Pumpkin. Yeah, it doesn't look like Jeep. It looks like
Getting out of the way. Boy, slinging.
Time.
I'm gonna count down to 3, and that's when on 3 you move. 1, 2, 3.
Did you
throttle happy. Boy, hit it.
Fat, fat
Dang!
Is anybody left? Except for me?
He's last one.
Battery?
No.
It just quit?
He doesn't bind.
You gonna turn your scorecard in? John, you gonna turn your scorecard?
You might be Bill, you might be the only one that finished the course. But you got Hollywood it. And you a heavy hitter.
Come on, Hollywood.
Alright, you're on camera.
Well, you happy that you at least got to run?
Ready?
Wait for my controller to start up. Waiting on Hollywood, movie star over here.
I want to fix that that pool pal.
And I was positioning myself. I have a feeling I'm gonna break something.
Do you hear that guy? You hear that guy up there? The only one.
You know, bragging rights is bragging rights.
That is true. I give you that.
Bragging rights.
Bill, I'm glad you made it.
Now,
Bill,
come on, Hollywood, show me up.
I won't make any promises, but I'm gonna try.
Ready?
Show me up.
Set.
Got the chance.
Go. Hey, 155's almost made it.
You know what I almost did? It's like a gunner.
You hear this guy up there? Bill, go to the campsite. Bill, go to the campsite. Talking all that mess. Are you sure that hat fits you? Does that hat fit you? Man, that's a big head over there. Yeah, it's getting tight over there. Returning champ right there.
You didn't get to run this last year.
Yeah, last year didn't even run this.
No way.
Dude, big tire, I'm telling you. Watch the ribbon. Watch the ribbon.
Come on, Hollywood, you can make up a lot of time if you finish. Yeah, but if I go too fast, I can mess up like everybody else.
440 is what you got left.
No pressure, no pressure. You didn't get to finish too fast, but this might make up for a lot of that.
I had to use the winch too, Hollywood, so don't feel bad. I hooked it right up to that long, that big one right up there.
I'm not helping you more, Bill.
Just helping you.
I'm not helping you anymore.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate the help you gave me.
Keeping all my
I'm just
secrets.
getting nervous that Hollywood's going to beat me.
Should be. Don't say this phone won't last.
Keep your winch tight.
It's running.
Keep it tight. Let it pull you. Don't let that old man give you crap.
Come on, Hollywood. You need a new poster.
Dang. You missed mine. That's what it is. You missed mine.
There you go. I still got it. I just don't want to break an axle.
Break an axle. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. It wants it. And then it doesn't want it.
Come on.
Winch to the side.
Really bad about being super wide.
Yep, that's my problem. I had 850 hubs on the rear of mine.
I'm going to pause the camera to move positions here.
Keep going out. Keep going. Alright.
There you go, baby. There you go.
That winch is crying right now.
But it got it. It got him up over.
Got him. Did you see where his tire was?
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Told you I'm gonna break something.
Yeah, it was.
It still is.
Look at that back tire. Ooh, nasty. 228.
Come on, baby. Be smart, be smart. There you go. See if I can get past that? No, you can't. No, I'm in the middle. Yes. For what? For what?
Wherever you want.
The second one to finish is going to be Hollywood.
Yeah, baby.
Pass the ribbon. Pass the ribbon. Keep going.
Is that good?
No, you passed. You passed.
Good job.
Okay.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
2 people.
How was it,
Bill?
Drivers, that's all we got. I got the camera off.
That was tense.
Stole your glory.
No, I didn't. I'm glad. How much time is it?
147. What do you have left?
How much did I have left?
125.
Shit.
Ah!
You know what?
Now I'm gonna go in full blast to break
I
something.
couldn't have lost to a nicer guy.